There was some people down here. They was like, "Oh, you do YouTube?" I'm like, "Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am." And shoot, hopefully they tap in, subscribe to my channel. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Frank Tank Fitness, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, man. Check this out. Check this out. You know, I'm at home right now. I got a fresh and clean Hoover dam workout for y'all today, man. Basically, we just gonna, hit it hard today. We're gonna have a great workout today. Great fun, great vibes and things of that nature. Hopefully, I have some people come out and work out with me, but if not, it's cool. The show must go on. So, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to it. Fight!
Shoot down the bar. Shoot down the bar. Shoot down the bar. Shoot down the bar. Bitch! Fuck, nigga! Let's go!
Alright, y'all, we back up here at Hoover Dam once again. I got a fresh and clean workout video for y'all today. We gotta do a pyramid workout. I thought some people was gonna come up here, but it's Father's Day. You know what I'm saying? I understand. I truly do. But me, the grind is real. So I really gotta push this content out for y'all. But we got a pyramid workout. So today we got 50 jumping jacks. We're gonna sprint to the stairs. Then we got 40 mountain climbers. Then we go stairs, 30 push-ups, stairs, 20 plank jacks, stairs, 10 burpees, stairs, 5 inchworms, stairs. And we're gonna do it. We're gonna do 2 rounds. So we're gonna go up, then we're gonna go down. So let's get to it. good workout, man. Killing it so far, man. It's kind of tough. But we persevering through it, man. We fighting through it. There's some people down here. They's like, oh, you do YouTube? I'm like, yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. And shoot, hopefully they tap in, subscribe to my channel. You know, I am a personal trainer, so get with me on that for sure. Instagram _ frankthetank fitness. Shoot, I'm ready. You ready? All right, y'all, so that is the end of the video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Yeah, working out at Hoover, man, it's work. I mean, it was definitely a lot of people out there, bro. Like, I see why people like to get their workout in the morning. Yeah, we definitely gonna be at more parks soon. Drop in the comments down below what park do you want me to go, and we'll do another workout. Hopefully I can get some people to come out, man, work out with me, man. It's hot outside. You know what I'm saying? It's a perfect time to get some outside workouts in for sure. But in the meantime, in the between time, like I said before, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. When we are in fear, we will always persevere. It's your boy Frank Tank Fitness signing out. Peace.